Today we're going to Ecuador. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to Ecuador on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill, we'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, soap and shampoo, a raincoat, sunscreen, insect repellent, comfortable walking shoes, cool, comfortable clothing, sunglasses, water shoes, snorkeling gear, a reusable water bottle, and a backpack, not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you the most essential information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you to bring the absolute best version of it. Chances are, if you're headed to Ecuador, you'll be spending some time on the Galapagos Islands. This nature paradise is home to some of the world's most amazing animals, and a lot of them are underwater. A pair of water shoes will make it easier for you to get in and out of the water without bothering your feet on any rocky surfaces, giving you more time to jump in and enjoy the underwater scenery. Another way to help you appreciate the Galapagos wildlife, snorkeling gear. You'll get up close and personal with some of the most amazing underwater animals in the world just by floating on the surface of the ocean and looking underwater. It's an unforgettable experience. Did you know that single-use plastics are banned in the Galapagos? Pack a reusable water bottle for your trip. You'll stay hydrated and you'll be doing your part to help keep the wildlife of the Galapagos Islands safe and healthy. This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Bon voyage!